ringing of bell. Please subscribe to my channel if you are not done so. Dear parents, let's continue our phonics skills. Do you want your child to learn to read faster? This is the best way. Okay, here you see the mother and the son. The son is speaking. I ate the cake. I ate the cake. Who baked the cake? The son baked the cake. After eating all the cake, I have an empty plate. Now mother and son are going to the zoo. Do you see the entrance door of the zoo? See how happy they are to go. And what do you find in the zoo? Addie saw 3 deers and 3 cheetahs. Deer, cheetah, deers and cheetahs. There are 3 deers and 3 cheetahs. Now Addie wanted to see a cuckoo bird. Cuckoo bird. Addie wanted to see a cuckoo bird. What else did he see in the zoo? Mom said, wait till you see a cuckoo bird. Wait till you see a cuckoo bird. So what is Addie going to do? He's going to sit under a tree. Addie went off to sleep under a green tree. And there came a cuckoo bird. He was so happy to see the cuckoo bird. Addie then came a cuckoo bird. Do you see how happy the bird and the boy are? Yippee, said Addie, because he is very happy to see the cuckoo bird. Next, you have TR sound. Tr, tr. Troy and Tracy. There are 2 of them here, the cat and a mouse. They are friends. Who is the cat? Troy is the cat. And what is the name of the rat? Mouse? It is Tracy. Tracy is the mouse and Troy is the cat. Troy the cat had a good friend, Tracy the mouse. Children, what is the name of the mouse? Tracy. Troy came back to see the treats were gone. To see the treats were gone and Tracy was nowhere to be seen. Troy is searching for the mouse and he is nowhere to be seen. But he is hiding behind the box. Tracy had tricked Troy. She hid behind the trees. Hey, very nice. Do you also love pranks? Do you play hide and seek? Children's best game is hide and seek, right? Even I love to play hide and seek with my kid. Tracy is a tricky mouse. Tracy is a tricky mouse. It likes to play pranks on the cat, who is its friend, Troy. Now here you see a dustbin. What's the other name for the dustbin? It is trash. Oops! Tricky Tracy tripped into the trash. Come on, say this tongue twister. It's like a tongue twister. You have got TR sounds. Tricky Tracy. Yes, read it, children. Now mixed bag. Stacy, Macy and Lucy. There are three of them here. Who are they? Tracy, Lucy and Macy. This is Stacy. She has a puppy. Her name is Macy. Puppy's name is Macy. Girl's name is Tracy. Macy is a pretty puppy. She is snowy white. Because she is all white, we call such a puppy as snowy white. Like a snow, white as snow. Completely white. So snowy white. Macy is a pretty puppy. She is snowy white. Now she is ready to go to school. Daily Macy wakes up with Stacy for school. Daily Macy wakes up ready to go to school. What does she do as soon as she gets up? She brushes her teeth. Macy first brushes her teeth. Brush, brush. Brush, brush. Brush in the morning. Brush in the noon time. Brush, brush. All 3 times you need to brush. At least twice a day we need to brush our teeth. Then combing the hair. Comb your hair. Look at the puppy. Next, Macy brushes her hair. Brush, brush. Macy brushes her hair. Brush, brush. Then you have the 2 friends, Stacy and Macy. Macy catches cold and has a runny nose. Stacy wipes her runny nose. When you catch a cold, when you are having cold, you should say, I caught a cold. Or you can say, I have a running nose. That means you have cold. Nimge negadi agidre, you should say, I have a cold. One day Macy got funny as she wanted a bunny. Bunny means rabbit. She wanted to have a bunny as pet. Macy got funny as she wanted a bunny. Now does Stacy give her? Oh, Mom got Macy a friend. It's a bunny. Her name is Lucy. Lucy. So you are learning all words with CY. C sound. CY. You have the sound C. Lucy. You have a bunny. Her name is Lucy. When it rains, Stacy, Macy and Lucy get wet. Do you also like to get wet, children? Yes, all the small children like to get wet in rain. When it rains, Stacy, Macy and Lucy get wet in rain. Wonderful. Lovely. Then Mom gives them a bath. Mom does not keep quiet. After getting wet in the rain, you have to take a bath. Look at the bathtub. Wow, what a wonderful bathtub they have. All of them can take bath together. Excellent, isn't that? Mom gives them a bath. Then she puts them to sleep. Mom puts them to sleep. At night, Macy and Lucy sleep with Stacy in her bed. What is the rabbit's name? What is bunny's name? Okay, from the beginning, CH sound. This is Chan. He has a friend Charlie. Chan and Charlie sit on a bench. Chan has 2 chalks. Charlie has some cherries. Next, they go to school in a school bus. Chan and Charlie catch the school bus. Chan and Charlie catch the school bus, and there are other friends along with Chan and Charlie who go to school in the bus. Chan sits next to Charlie in the bus. Chan eats cherries. Charlie has fun with his chalks. SH sound. Shh. Who are the 2 friends here? Shane and Sherry are friends. A shiny ship for Sherry. They want to buy a ship. Shane has some cash. Shane goes to the shop a shiny ship to buy for Sherry. Shane asked, "Why?" Sherry said, "The ship can sing." But where are they going to keep the ship? Are they going to put it in the water? No, they're going to keep it in the shelf. Shelf. They are going to put it in the shelf. Wow. Then Shane said, "Shall I put it in the shelf?" Now long A sound. Cane and cake. What does Cane like to do? He likes to skate. Sometimes he wants to bake a cake. Mom and I baked a cake. Mom and I baked the cake. I take a big chunk of cake. Yum, 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 yum. And then I ate the cake. Now the plate is empty. If you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe to the channel so that you get all the updates.